Episode 18: Xavier's Influence on Art and Culture. Hello everyone. Today we explore the profound impact of St Francis Xavier on art, culture, and architecture. Xavier's legacy in fostering Christian art and architecture played a crucial role in preserving and spreading the faith, influencing both aesthetics and spiritual beliefs. Xavier's impact on art, culture, and architecture. St. Francis Xavier's missionary journey was not only about spreading Christianity, but also about embracing and influencing art, culture, and architecture in the regions he visited. His impact extended beyond religion's conversion to the realm of aesthetics and cultural expression. Promotion of Christian art. Xavier advocated for Christian art that narrated the stories of Christianity, using visual representations to convey religious teachings and narratives. His support for Christian art was instrumental in spreading the Christian message among diverse populations. Integration of local culture with Christian art. Xavier's approach to art and culture wasn't about imposing foreign concepts. Instead, he encouraged the fusion of Christian art with local cultural aesthetics, thereby making the message of Christianity more accessible and relatable to the local population. Influence on architecture. Xavier's impact extended the architecture as well. He encouraged the construction of buildings that reflected Christian values and beliefs, leaving an indelible mark on the architectural landscape in the regions he visited. Role of Christian art in preserving and spreading the faith. Christian art served as a powerful tool in preserving and spreading the faith. It visually narrated biblical stories, doctrines, and the life of Christ, playing a pivotal role in educating and engaging believers and non-believers alike. Aesthetic and spiritual symbolism. Xavier's influence on art and architecture wasn't just about aesthetics, but also deeply rooted in spiritual symbolism. Christian symbols and representations in art played a crucial role in conveying religious teachings and messages. Legacy of Xavier's impact on Christian art and architecture. The legacy of Xavier's influence on Christian art and architecture continues to be visible in many churches, religious artifacts, and cultural representations in the regions he visited, perpetuating the spread of Christianity. Enduring influence on Christian art and architecture. Christian art and architecture, influenced by Xavier's ideas, remained a fundamental part of religious expression and cultural identity in various regions, carrying forward the Christian message and spirituality. St. Francis Xavier's impact on art, culture, and architecture was instrumental in spreading the Christian faith. His advocacy of Christian art and architecture, intertwined with local cultural elements, played a crucial role in preserving and disseminating the Christian message. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's influence on art and culture embodies the harmonious integration of faith, aesthetics, and cultural expression, leaving a legacy that endures in Christian art and architecture.